Hey! Welcome back to Kelly's Feral Adventures. How you doing? If you're new here, my name is Kelly, and this is Kelly's Feral Adventures. And I hope that you will like this video and give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me who you are, whatever, and subscribe. So today we have a 16 by 20 value pack Artist Loft canvas, and this is going to be a probably 3-part painting. So today we'll see the first part. And for colors, we have Amsterdam Titanium White. Might have some pearls mixed in, don't really remember. We have Artist's Acrylic Bright Aqua Green. We have Amsterdam Greyish Blue. We have Golden Iridescent Pearl Fine. We have Modern Masters Platinum. And we have Lukas Cryl Arctic. So we're going to be doing this as a 2-part flip cup. One on the top, one on the bottom. But I'm using the rule of 3. The top will have 8 ounces. The bottom will have about 4 ounces. It should take a little over 11 ounces to cover this canvas, which is found by taking the length times the width, 16 times 20 divided by, 16 times 20 equals 320 divided by 28 is 11 point something or other. So let's just get down on the canvas and see what happens. So for the top third-ish, 2/3-ish, duh, Kelly, get it right. We're gonna go from, I should put a little piece of tape just for a reminder, because sometimes my brain gets going in different directions. About there. Somewhere in that area. Neither a measurer nor a perfectionist be. So let's just get our cup done. Just gonna dirty pour these. Mixed these yesterday. So I'm going to put in a pretty good dollop of this grayish blue. There we go. That's about 8 ounces-ish. I'm going to put down, this is the same white, just in a big container. This is a little thinner also. Just give me something to aim for here. Okay. And flip. Whoopsies. Oh well. Magic tap taps. Pull it up. There we go. Am I going to use some flow extender? Why, yes, I am. I kind of want to get this in a shape, sort of a square shape. You know what? I'm not gonna need much. in the way of flow extender. Probably mostly just the corners. Mostly I'm going to be tilting side to side. I have to get up over the corners though, so we're going to do that first.
Be close to you. 그냥 이대로 자연스럽게 가끔 말 돌려도 한 번쯤은 웃어줘. 괜히 애꿎은 두 번만 들었다 놨다 계속 붙어있고 싶다 바짝. 넌 아무렇지 않은 척 그게 헷갈리게 만들어. 눈빛 한 번이면 충분해. 그 어떤 말보다
Ta-da! Now let's get this bottom part. We're gonna do this in a little 5-ounce cup. Mostly I want this to be white, so I'm going to start with a healthy dose of white. Very healthy. Then we're gonna go with the silver. And the Arctic. And aren't we just going to top it off with a little more white? Okay, same as the top. I'm going to make myself a little target.
Thought I had to try to make no mistake.
The top half to me is always easier than the bottom half. The bottom half kind of freaks me out. So here we go, 1, 2, 3. Please, all saints above, let it hold.
I thought that it was smart, stay in my lane, always hit the mark. Thought that was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play, I had the leading part. I realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing.
Same idea as above, but I am not putting flow extender up there. I see some pretty big bubbles. I didn't see any bubbles really in the first one, but this second one I do. I'm going to torch the whole thing when I'm done, but for right now, we're going to start where we are.
Making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so overworking every situation, keeping track of what everybody's doing. Do they have something I lack? Try to prove I could be just as good, but I misunderstood what it's supposed to be about. Realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one seemed to participate. And I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me.
already put the cup in the gerb. Yes, I did. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna get another little cup, a little cup. And I'm going to put in some white. Some silver. Some Arctic. And because, you know, this didn't get a whole lot of a chance to swirl around itself, so I'm just going to give it a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and see what happens. This is the kind of thing that always happens when you're sort of, you know, least wanting it to. So I'm just going to pour that right in this little hole, and then I'm going to go.
Sun is hitting my face, I'm unfazed, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, see these waves. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe ashore. Now this is my
Just really kind of pretty. What I'm gonna do there, I'm mostly okay with it, but I just want to help it along a little bit.
the seas sway with me, getting my energy, let the seas sway with me. I would try to hold on, treading water in this big storm now. Try to swim away, crashes like
Good enough. Now I'm just going to see about floating it back the other way a little bit.
now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me. We're getting my energy, let the seas sway with me. My remedy, let the seas sway with me. Getting my energy, let the seas.
So I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Roll it over to the drying table, and I'll be right back. Okay, here are our wet results. Doesn't look like much right now, but I do really like the way that it has turned out. I like this windy looking, very cold looking. Is it a sky? Why, I think it might be. Indeed I do. Isn't it cool? Really is kind of cool. And then we have this very cold looking, could it be snowy ground? Why, I think it could be. I think this turned out really cool. Of course, I have a vision for it, and you're sitting there going, but it's very plain. I know it is. But it's gonna get better, I hope. Looky there, we got sparkly snow. Yay. That's why I put that white in the bottom with that I knew would be iridescent and sparkly. The white in the top, I mean, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah, pretty neat. I'm thinking absolutely. But let's look and see if there's any in the top. I don't know. Bits and bits. Okay, cool. Whatever. All right, so I reckon I'll see ya when it's dry. Here are the dried results of last week's 2 blown out bloom flowers. The first one turned out pretty. I really like these. I think they're really unique, interesting paintings. and they make a nice set. What do you think? They both have some nice, pretty sparklies in them. I really like the stems. And yeah, I think they turned out pretty cool. What do you think? What do you think? So yeah, there those are. I think they turned out nicely. And here is this week's double flip cup background for step 1 of our 3 or 4 step painting. I think this one turned out extremely well. It looks really dark and I can't quite figure out why. But it's really pretty. I don't know why it's looking so dark on camera. But really pretty in person. Lots of depth in the color, lots of movement, and I just think it turned out real well. So hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will think about doing so. My channel could really use a little shot in the arm about right now. So if you like these paintings, if you like me, if you like anything, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.